Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound music on Stumble guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on settings option. Here you can see various settings option from which you have to scroll down a bit. And there you will see sound volume and music volume option. You can adjust it by simply sliding it. To turn it off, you have to slide it to the left. After sliding it to the left, your sound and music will be turned off. So this is how you turn off your sound and music on Stumble guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.